If you are still relying on a spotty USB dongle for your desktop internet, you are probably tired of those random ping spikes right when you are about to win a match. That is where this PCIe card comes in. It is essentially a way to give your PC a serious brain transplant when it comes to connectivity. Because it is powered by Intel, the stability here is just different. You are looking at Wi-Fi 6 speeds that can hit over 2 gigabits per second, which is honestly overkill for most people, but it is nice to know the headroom is there. What really matters is the OFDMA tech, which keeps things smooth even if everyone else in the house is streaming or hopping on video calls at the same time. It just handles the traffic better than older hardware. Now here is the thing that makes this setup actually clever. Instead of having the antennas stuck behind your PC case where the metal blocks the signal, you get this magnetized base. You can stick it right on top of your desk or the side of your tower to get a clear line of sight. It is a small detail, but it makes a massive difference for signal strength. Plus, it looks pretty sleek sitting there. Then there is the Bluetooth 5.3 integration. It is a nice bonus to have, especially if you are tired of dealing with finicky controllers or wireless headsets that keep dropping out. The range is surprisingly solid, and it handles multiple devices without breaking a sweat. Just a heads up though, you do have to plug a little cable into your motherboard's internal USB header to get that Bluetooth working. It is not hard, but it is an extra step that some people might miss if they just skim the manual. One minor gripe is the driver situation. You really should skip the included CD. Most people do not even have a disk drive anymore, and just grab the latest files from the website. It is a bit of a chore, but it ensures you get the firmware updates that actually enable that newer Bluetooth standard. It is not the flashiest piece of hardware you will ever buy, but it is one of those quiet upgrades that makes your daily computer use feel significantly more reliable. If you are tired of lag and want a rock-solid connection without running an Ethernet cable across your floor, this is a pretty straightforward way to get there. It does exactly what it says on the box, and for most desktop users, that is exactly what you want.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.